How are you guys? It's Mr. Always speaking, guys. Here, guys. It's 369 for trading, guys. As you can see, guys. The thing is that I'm just gonna share the video, guys. Since we'll be trading Fomc tomorrow, as you can see here. So we'll be trading Fomc tomorrow. So I'll be sharing the video. Those who wanna trade Fomc, all the stuff. Just to help those who might need. Yeah. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna share the things my screen there so that you can see what's happening. So that being said, obviously you can see what's happening on my screen here now. So we're gonna have, let's say, USDT big picture here. Yeah, so we're gonna have like USDT being selling. Guys, you can see USDT kind of dropping, guys, to the downside. You may ask yourself, why is USDT dropping and all the stuff, you understand? I'm not here to teach, guys. I'm here to think about tomorrow, CPI, all the stuff. And I was expecting a buy. I did tell the people that, yeah, if this thing is happening, guys, we might expect this and this and this. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna go almost like 4 hour time from that. I usually use this one. So on my speed day, it's like we have these correctional pattern, guys, on the okay, we can call this one a correctional pattern on the sheet. Yeah, we have this correctional pattern on TXY, guys. What does that mean? So guys, you know what is a TXY? I'm checking on TXY, guys, on capital.com. So you already know what is TXY, guys. So basically the TXY is kind of pushing to the upside. Pushing upside. So basically TXY might reach on top, guys. We're expecting TXY to kind of reach here. Not reach here maybe tomorrow. I don't know what's happening, guys. It's Fomc tomorrow and NFP later. So guys, I'm just gonna talk about Fomc also and NFP. So what am I expecting, guys, is the TXY to kind of continue. So if TXY continues to buy, if TXY continues to buy, you can see what they did here, guys. We did have some beautiful upper trend to the upside, break out, the retest on it and continue. So basically now we still have this flag pattern that's been happening here. So guys, those who knew, if you had enough money, you could have caught the TXY pattern to the upside. So on the 1 hour, it doesn't look very beautiful, guys. So what I'm trying to say is that tomorrow, what's going to happen, guys, to help those who might be trading Fomc and CPI tomorrow based on technical analysis, as you can see here. So tomorrow we are expecting, guys, the market to kind of continue to the upside. That's what we are expecting, the market to kind of continue to the upside. Yeah, maybe it might go as possible to pass that level. So that we are expecting. If they do pass, they have to pass this high point because this is where the money is on the market, understand? So maybe it might come back to retest. So guys, if the market guys really come back like for the whole week, we'll be updating you along the way. So if the market guys really come back, it might retest here and continue to the downside. So this thing is possible, guys, on the forex trading if the market does something like this. So you don't want to come and look for a retracement here, guys. If it breaks in, we are expecting a retracement from this trend line to continue to the downside. So this sign is that they were printing liquidity to the upside so that they can so there's a high chance that so guys, we need to be watching on the data also. How will the data being positive to the how do you call this thing? Will be the data positive to the will be the data being released tomorrow by Fomc positive to the what do you call this will be the data, like I'm trying to say, like will be the data positive to the DXY or not? So if the data is positive to DXY, we are expecting the DXY to kind of continue. So this pattern market might go above, retest and continue. But if the data is not positive, guys, we're expecting the DXY to continue to reach this level, collect liquidity and continue to the downside. Understand? So guys, this is a symbol for sales. I don't want to lie, guys, this is a symbol for sales. It depends if the data are going to be released on tomorrow based on the Fomc. Will they be like bullish or bearish? We don't know. But if the Fomc is bullish, expect the market to continue. So guys, why DXY? So we're gonna come back now outline. So we're gonna go back to our things and trying to come back to Euro USD, those kind of major pairs that are paired with this thing here. So we're gonna come back here, guys. We did see the market here coming with the trend breakout. Like that's what I told you also, guys. Some other things that I'm telling you here is the same thing that the market did here, corrected to the upside, come back and collect liquidity and come back inside. You understand? Then I told people that it depends on the data is gonna look like there. If the data is positive, market was supposed to kind of break out and continue to retest, but it did come back to the downside. You understand? So the data is gonna tell you, guys, technical analysis is gonna be respected, like it or not, but we need to listen to the data of the market. So this is what is Euro GBP USD doing at this moment. You see, GBP USD is in a bullish momentum. You see what I'm trying to say? GPUSD is in a bullish momentum and this thing stays, you understand? So we're gonna mark out, try to close those things and come back here. So GPUSD is in a bullish. Guys, try by all means when you trade your trend lines again. Those who are trading, try by all means when you are trading and when you are putting your trend lines name, be as accurate as possible. Don't try to force things, guys, to try to be as accurate as possible so that you can catch the accurate signals. You understand? So we are here. You understand? Bear in mind that the GXY already broke out from the trend that it was using. Understand? So that one, let me check here. Did the market kind of reach here? Not yet reached the highest point that I'm looking. The market kind of come back there to reach. So if the GXY continues, it's bearish tomorrow, guys. We're expecting this trend to continue to reach to that high. So that's what we are looking. So we'll be taking on the data, on what the data did, all the stuff. But basically, things stands, market in an uptrend. So we're gonna trade. We're not gonna try to draw things like this, guys. Try to draw these things out. We draw as perfect as they look. You understand? So the market is in an upper trend. Then so inside there we had an uptrend that was broken. You understand? There's a beautiful uptrend that was broken here. Okay, we can try to do something like this. Let's just try those two. But this one they don't make sense for me, sure. So this upper trend here that was broken here, market was expecting the small trend to the upside and then broke it and retest on it, as you can see, guys. So what's gonna happen, guys? We're expecting the market to come back here at this level. So guys, this is a sign for buyers, guys. If market does not break, I'm gonna give out a signal, guys, for tomorrow. Kind of to give a trade from here to the select point to kind of continue to reach to this new high. So that's the signal that I'm giving on the FOMC tomorrow, guys. But now, guys, you need to make sure that before you enter the trade, make sure that the market does not break this trend line. So your stop loss, if you see a reversal pattern here on this kind of level, you need to take that trade to the upside, to that level. That's what I'm seeing for FOMC tomorrow, guys. So so if this one is bullish, let's go to Euro USD, guys. So that's actually the GPUSD is bullish, guys. So if market could pass here, guys, expect the retracement and continue. We're only gonna enter this trade when the market comes back inside this trade. But basically, tomorrow I'm expecting the market kind of continue to buy, guys, based on what I'm looking technical analysis. But we don't know how the FOMC is gonna come out. So it depends on the data, guys. If the data is bad for the USD, guys, if the data is gonna be good for the USD, expect the market to continue to the downside. But if the data is bad for the USD, expect the market kind of retest here and continue to the upside. Understand? So dango. So let's go to we're gonna come back to this is the analysis that I'm looking towards, like for example, to continue to the upside. I'm gonna come to JPY. That's on USD JPY also. Let's check out the USD JPY doing. So guys, this is USD JPY. Wow, USD JPY just from the top come back and retest, guys. This is the sellers putting their money to the downside. You can see, but it's not clear, guys. So it's not clear, but it's a high chance for sales, correcting of the sales. You understand? High chance to sales. Let's go to Euro USD, guys. We are in the Euro USD kind of pattern. So guys, I love the Euro USD pattern also. That's gonna happen there. So let's wait for the market to kind of do the thing. So the Wi-Fi is kind of slow, guys. I did have this thing, guys. This is what I'm seeing. For those who wanna trade the Euro USD, guys, yeah, that I said, guys, yeah. So on this pattern, guys, we're expecting market to kind of push to the downside. It can push to up to here on Euro USD, so you must check out that thing. If market could push out, you see Euro USD already broke, guys. Already broke, like I told you, already broke to the downside, you guys. So on a bigger picture, pace of play, I wanna kind of put this thing in a right down point, guys. You can see what the market did here. Guys. You see this uptrend is kind of an expanding trend. So guys, we cannot say the market broke. So you are expecting market to kind of come back to this lowest point here. Yeah. So here, guys, I'm expecting market kind of push you upside, but the plan is the market to kind of push to that level point. You understand? So on FOMC tomorrow, we need to wait to see what the market. If market pushes up to here and come back inside, you take a buy, continue to the upside. Understand? Your entry must be biased. If the market comes back inside this trend, continue to the buy side. And also it's gonna be depends how the FOMC is gonna be looking also. But I'm looking for bullish for the market. But this is a kind of a flag, guys, that can be broken to the downside and market coming to the lowest point of this market. So it's possible. So if market breaks out from the trend, guys, you know what it is. Dango. Breaks out, comes back, you must wait for the market to come back. If it does not come back in, it means that the sales are too much tomorrow. Understand? And it also depends on the news that will be released on the FOMC show. let's go to NASDAQ, guys. NASDAQ, guys, on NASDAQ, this is what's happening. So you're gonna go to the 4-hour time frame and then check also there. So on NASDAQ, guys, what's happening? What's happening on NASDAQ? So we'll be checking also those things, guys. So how do we trade these things? So on the NASDAQ, we are looking towards this thing, ne? Clone this price to the upside. This upper trend that was being broken, ne? Market broke out from the upper trend. So on the NASDAQ, guys, this is what's happening on the NASDAQ on the 4-hour time frame. So okay, let's put this thing. We don't want to see NASDAQ climbing this level. If market gonna enter here on NASDAQ, guys, we are looking towards the uptrend level. Hopefully you check that one, ne? That's the kind of things that I'm looking on 4-hour time frame. Then NASDAQ did come back to the downside, guys. So we see the market printing out the downtrend there to the upper side, understand? And our entry was here, guys. I don't want to lie. Those who wanted to enter, the first entry was here on this level, guys. You don't enter in this level. If you enter a trade here, the entry was here. You could have bought here, guys. Come back and enter again. This becomes the strongest price. So those who could have entered here with the leg this pattern was there, guys, be given to us as traders, guys. So that's the thing that I'm trying to say, that, guys. Yeah. So this pattern was given to us as traders, guys, to kind of conceptualize these things. But basically, that was a buy, beautiful buy to the upper point. So now what is NASDAQ doing? So we're gonna look at this currently thing. So on NASDAQ, guys, we're gonna expect a buy again tomorrow. So guys, we're expecting a buy tomorrow on NASDAQ because market is kind of pointing to the upside. So what must you do? You must wait for the market to kind of come back in here. Let's just put the level. Maybe it might push below here. You understand? Bring the reversal pattern and continue. So FOMC, guys, is kind of looking bullish, guys, because this is going to be the third chart of the market. So if the market does break out this trend line, guys, it depends on the FOMC. If the FOMC is good for the if the USD is doing good, don't expect NASDAQ to buy, guys. So yeah, but if the NASS is not doing good, guys, so I expect the market to kind of push that level before it continues to downside or even punch that level. So guys, we are looking on NASDAQ as like this. But if they do break this trend line, guys, it's a retrace. If they do break this trend line, they might come back and break this trend line here, come back to the lowest point. If they don't, we're entering there to continue. You understand? This is what we are looking towards because market already came back to collect some liquidity here. So we might have those buys continuation to the upside. But basically, it's not 100% sure. If the data is negative for the USD, expect these guys to continue to the upside. So it's based on FOMC and NFP week. Yeah? Danko. So US30, obviously USD and NASDAQ, they're gonna move the same, guys. So that's what's gonna happen. So we're gonna remove drawings there and we're gonna mark out on the 4-hour time frame. So it's a direction, guys. I'm gonna mark out this level here and put this level here. On the price to the upper side. You see what I'm trying to say? Market broke out here. As you can see, market broke out from the highest point to the on level. So with that being said, you see the market coming back here to the downside. See what I'm saying, guys? This is the market coming to the downside to the upper level. So breaking out from this level, guys. So market gave its people level low. So guys, don't be confused on this thing. US30, guys, you can see yesterday the weakest of them all, but they did come in to collect their point of entry here. So on US30, guys, things are kind of looking bearish. So if you'll be buying, think of what you're doing. So guys, when to buy US30, you might want to ask you guys. So you may want to ask market breakout here. See what happened, guys. See what happened. Load the price to the upper side. You understand? Market broke out to the downside, collect liquidity below, then it's printing the same thing here, guys. You can see what's happening. Breaking out to the level point. So what are we looking towards US30, guys? So if it could come back here, so guys, this is very beautiful. So guys, on US30, we are looking also bullish. Check that. Yeah. So with that being said, on US30, we're also looking bullish to the market, basically based on the market trend to the upside. You can see what's happening, guys. Market came back here, create a new high, lower low, expecting a new high, also to the new high. That's what we are looking at this moment. But this is already a high here to the other one in this thing. This is already high to the other one. You can see what the market is kind of doing here. But now, what we need to do now as traders is to kind of focus on the market now as we are just giving us. So Now we are expecting, if market could punch in here, guys, if market could punch in here, we want to take a buy somewhere here, continue. So if market could punch in here, take a buy here, continue. If it punches again, you continue to buy, guys. If it punches again to that trend line, so certain things like this might happen, guys. As market continues to what, kind of buy forever. So, but if market kind of continues to sell, guys, depends on the data tomorrow. So you need to wait for the data tomorrow. As it cannot be released, guys. If you're gonna continue, it might just punch the level point until it reaches from this level point here. So it might punch until this level here, guys, for them to kind of buy. So that's what's happening on you on. But based on what I'm looking, guys, I'm looking for the market to kind of go up to the upside. But sell first before the guide. So we'll be waiting for the market. Here they might just push to this level. You might expect that movement up to this level here. Come back. So guys, if you see buyers here, you jump in to buy. Dango. That's what I wanted to share to you guys for today towards the Fomc. So guys, yeah, with other pairs, guys, you see, but that's what pairs that I'm looking towards. Like also, look at, you can also analyze gold. You can also analyze gold. So let's go escape. Gold. That's my strategy, guys. Wow, gold is also looking bullish, guys. It's looking bearish but bullish. So wow, gold is already done with this pattern. Let me go to EURUSD and share something. That we just wanna be like two charts, eh? And what do I wanna put? I wanna put here Euro USD. I wanna show you something, guys. So gold is already done that pattern, guys. You already see this is Euro USD amount. So here we want to be gold. So you see what the gold did, and this is here we want Euro USD. Yeah. So what I want to look towards this thing is just like you see what the market did here. Check this, guys. I want to show you something. You check here the same thing here. You can see, guys, in a bigger picture we have gold here already on the bottom, you understand, and we have Euro USD. So guys, this might be the great trade to catch. Those wanna trade. You can see here we had an upper trend that is kind of being broken there. You see, isn't this kind of similar? Guys? You see where the Euro USD kind of going. So you may expect market to push to the lowest point here and continue. You understand, to the buy side. Also here, you might expect market gonna continue to the lowest point and continue to the buy side. So if it buys to come back, so guys, this buy is not kind of when you might want to wait for the better entries based on your entry strategy, but it don't best if the data is favoring this, guys. You can see what's happening, guys. So I was just saying something that you were not seeing, but I did see it, guys. Dango.